Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we solve in detail of your mathematics annual question paper 2023 and 24. So guys, are you ready? Then see the session till end. After see, then you can comment your expected score. So let's start the session. First question. So in this type of questions we solve from the right, yes or no? The square root of 121 equal to 11. So 11 plus 14, that is 25. Then 25 square root equal to 5. Then 5 plus 44 equal to 49. So 49 square root equal to 7. Okay. Next. 25x square divided by root 5x. So here we can multiply root 5 in both sides. Any problem? So 25 root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5, that is 5. Yes or no? So here x square by x. Now 5 5 ja, so 5 root 5 x. So correct answer is option number D. Next question. The area of the square is expressed as this. Okay. So area given achi. So we can write 9x square as 3x whole square and 25 as 5 whole square, and this is 2ab 2 into 3x into 5. Yes or no? So this is the identity 1, that is 3x plus 5 whole square. So we know that side equal to square root of area. So area equal to 3x plus 5 square root, square of square root, so square root cancel. The answer is 3x plus 5. Okay. Next question, question number 4. Minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2x. Now find out x. X equal to minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. So 2 cancel. Here x equal to 1 by 3. Now put in place of x the value, that is 1 by 3 plus 1. 3 cancel, that is minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. The correct answer is 0. Okay. Next, question number 5. So which of the following pair is not a supplementary? Okay. Supplementary means sum of the two angle not be equal to 180 degree. Okay. So first check one angle plus 6 angle equal to 180 or not. Okay. So in place of 1 we can write 8. Any doubt? Because 1 and 8 are alternative exterior angle. So we can say that yes, it is a pair of supplementary. So it is the answer hoboni. Next 3 and 5. Okay. 3 and 5, it is a co-interior angle. Co-interior angle means sum of the angle is equal to 180 degree. It will be a pair. So it hoboni kebe answer. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Okay. So 5 say the 8 equals. So ye bhi gote supplementary pair. So answer of option number D, because 4 and 8 are corresponding angle. Yes or no? So correct answer is option number D. Questions kaisi not a supplementary. You understand? Next question. The coordinate of a point that lie on y-axis. Y-axis means x-axis is 0. So option number D is the correct answer. Okay. Ramit purchased a bag 200 rupees, sold it 180 rupees, percentage of the decrease. First find the number of decrease, that is 200 minus 8 180, that is 20 rupees. Yes or no? The percentage of decrease is equal to number of decrease divided by 200 into 100. Yes or no? Then 100 2 ja to 10 ja, so 10%. Clear? Next question. If the total surface area of a cube means 6a square equal to 150. Now a square equal to 150 divided by 6. So a equal to 25. Sorry, a square equal to 25 and a equal to 5. So correct answer is 5. Sorry, 5. Distance in unit, the following 5, 6 from y-axis. Y-axis means you write the x coordinate, that is 5. Next question. In the given figure, the value of x is dash We know that sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Yes or no? Then we 360 ru subtract kariba 40 plus 90 plus 60 plus 70. So here 9 plus 4 13, 13. So 13 13 260. Yes or no? So minus 360 equal to 100 degree. So answer is 100 degree. Okay. Next question, question number 11. Assertion and reasoning. First question number 1. 1 minus 1 by 5 whole to the power 4 whole to the power 4 is equal to, we can write minus 1 by 5 to the power 16, which is the reciprocal of minus 5 by 16. First find out the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 5 whole to the power 16 equal to minus 1 by 5 whole to the power 16. Yes, correct. So A is true and R is true, and also R is the correct explanation of the A. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay, because power हेले multiply हुए तो ये हमें multiply करी find out कर ले, so इटा correct explanation. Okay. Next question. Population of a town 1 year ago given अछि 10,000. It increases every year 10% per annum. So 1 year increase ହେଇଥିବ तो 10,000 ର 10% equal to how much? But I formula put करो. Formula होची P, that is 10,000 into increases means plus 10 divided by 100 whole to the power 1 because 1 year. Now this is 1 by 10, so 11 by 10. So 0 0 cancel, 11 11 1 ja 11, 3 ta 0. So answer is true, means A is true. So formula A equal to P whole into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n, where A, P, R and n have their the usual meaning. Okay, so also true and correct explanation. So option number A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Section 2, question number 13 and 14 are case based study. Okay. Question number 13. Sima went to a mall to purchase a lehenga for her wedding. She finalized the lehenga whose mark price was given. So write down MP equal to 60,000. Shopkeeper offered discount. So discount given, that is 25%. Find the discount value. Okay, we know that discount value means find out the discount is equal to 25% of MP is equal to 25 by 100 into 60,000. 25 4 ja 4 15 ja, so 15,000 is the correct answer. Okay, 15,000. Next question. Selling price of the lehenga. Okay, selling price formula is MP into 100 minus discount divided by 100, or you can find discount is 15,000, total price is 60,000. 60,000 minus 15,000, so equal to 0045. So 45,000 is the selling price. Okay, or you can find the SP by using this formula. So question number 3, if after giving a discount 25%, the shopkeeper still on profit. Okay, so here selling price is 45,000. Okay, and profit equal to profit equal to 20%. Find the cost price. So cost price equal to formula is SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit. Now put the values, that is SP equal to 45,000 into 100 divided by 100 plus profit, that is 120. So 0 0 cancel, 3 4 ja 3 15 ja, then 4 25 ja. Okay, So multiply 25 with 15. 25 10 ja 250. 25 5 ja 75. Now 5 2 3. Yes or no? Sorry. 25 5 ja 125. So 5 7, that is 3. So 375. So cost price is 37500, means 37,500. Okay. Now question number. Seema spent 5% of the selling price and purchased a beautiful bag to keep that lehenga. Okay. So got a bag kinichi, 5% of the selling price. So 5% of selling price, that is 45,000. 5% means 5 by 100. Okay, into 45,000. So 0 0 cancel. 45 5 ja 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20. 22 10 means 2250. So find the total amount. So are the two number on two price, that is 2250 plus 45,000. Okay, that is 0 5 2 7 4. She give 47,250 rupees to the shopkeeper. Okay, or paid. Next question. Question number 14. The expenditure on the various item and saving of the Abhishek family during a month in a given below. Okay, so house rent 10%, transport 5% are given. So first question number 1. If the monthly saving of a family is 3,000, first देखो percentage कितने given अच्छी, saving 15%. So we can write 15% of total money income is equal to 3,000. Yes or no? So 15%, that is 15 by 100 of means into x equal to 3,000. Now x equal to 3,000 into 100 by 15. Any doubt? So 15 2 ja, that is 200. 200 into 100, that is 20,000. Okay, so answer is 20,000. The central angle of the house rent. Okay, so house rent is 10%. Okay, so house rent or central angle mean 10% divided by total is 100 into angle means multiply with 360. So 10 ja 10, 0 0 cancel, that is 36 degree. So answer is 36 degree. How much more money is spent on food than the cloth? Okay, food is 25%, cloth is 10%, difference is 15%. So 15% value is 3,000. Okay, so write down how much more money is spent on food. So first write down money spent on food is equal to 25%. So 25% of total is 20,000. 20,000. 25% is 25 by 100 into 20,000. Now 20 20 cancel. 25 2 ja 50, 2 da 0, that is 5,000. And money spent on, that again write down money spent on cloth is equal to 10%. So 10% of 20,000, that is 2,000. So more is 5,000 minus 2,000 equal to 3,000. So write down the money spent more on food than cloth equal to 3,000. Understand? Find the total money spent on the transport and education. Okay, transport is 5% and education is 15%. So 5% plus 15% equal to 20%. So find the 20% value. So 20% of 20,000. So 20% je 20 by 100. So dita 0 cancel. 20 means 4,000. Okay. Next question number section 3. Find the Pythagorean triplet whose smallest number is 12. So let one Pythagorean, that is 2m is equal to 12. Find out m equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. Any doubt? So the first we can find m square plus 1, then we find m square minus 1. So 6 square plus 1, that is 36, plus 1 37, and 36 minus 1, that is 35. So write down therefore Pythagorean triplet are 12, 35, 37. Okay. Next question. Find the smallest number by which this must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. In this type of question, first find the prime factor, that is 2, 8, 8, 0. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 7 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 0 ja, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja, 2 18 0, 2 9 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja, then 3 15 ja, then 3 5 ja, 5 1 ja. Okay. Then pair, write down prime factors of 2880 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now pair, 3 pair. So here we multiply, sorry, we divide this. So we divide 3 into 3 into 5, that is 45 to, sorry, we divide this to 2880 to make it perfect cube. So smallest number is 45. Okay. Next question. To solve this, so 0.027 cube root divided by x is equal to 1000 cube root. Now we find the cube root, that is 0.3 divided by x is equal to 10. Now cross multiply, 10 into x is equal to 0.3. So x equal to 0.3 divided by 10. So x is equal to 0.03. Or we can solve in this method like 1 by x is equal to 10 divided by 0.3, because here 0.3 is multiply. When हम जदि सेपट को नबा जेना divide ही जीवो. So x equal to किते ना 0.3 divided by 10 equal to 0.03. Okay, because here x is denominator. देखिबो जब भी denominator थिबो then cross multiply कर दो. Okay. Next question. If a plus b plus c equal to 12, okay, so in this type of question we first write down the formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square, but we know is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Yes or no? We can put in place of a plus b plus c equal to 12, or 12 square is equal to 64. In place this we put 64 plus common ile ab plus bc plus ca. Any doubt? So now 144 equal to 64 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. Now 2 into AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 144 minus 64, that is 80. Now AB plus BC plus CA equal to 80 divided by 2, now 40. So answer is 40. Okay, next question. Factorize these. So first, this is the middle term factorization. Was check out. Multiply kale 28x square, addition kale minus 3x. The number is 7 and 4. So 7 is minus and 4 is plus. So write down x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28, or we can write in the x square plus 7 minus plus 4 bracket x minus 28. So now take common x. So x minus 7 or common 4, x minus 7, again common x minus 7. So remaining is x plus 4. So answer is x minus 7 and x plus 4. Next question, the perimeter of a trapezium. Okay, this is a trapezium. Perimeter of the trapezium given, so write down perimeter of trapezium is equal to 52 centimeter. Two non-parallel sides are 10 each. Okay, this is 10, this is also 10. If the distance between the two parallel sides are equal, 8. So height is given. So write down height equal to 8 centimeter. So find the area. We know perimeter equal to sum of the all sides. This is B or A, this is B. We know A plus 10 plus B plus 10 is equal to 52. Now A plus B is equal to 52 minus 10, 10, 20. So A plus B is equal to 32. Yes or no? Now we know that the area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B whole into H. So here 1 by 2 A plus B equal to 32 into H equal to 8. So 2 4 ja equal to 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 centimeter square. Okay, next question. The diameter of a roller is given. So write down diameter of roller is equal to 5 meters. So find the radius. Radius equal to 5 divided by 2 meters. Now height is given, that is height or length is equal to 2.8 meter. It takes 8 complete revolution. First find out one complete or distance by area cover. Write down area cover in one revolution is equal to curve surface area of cylinder. Yes or no? Is equal to 2 pi r into h. So 2 को 2, pi ର value 22 by 7 into r equal to 5 by 2 into h equal to 2.8. So 7 4 ja, so 0.4, 2 2 cancel, 22 5 ja 110 into 0.4. So 0 decimal cancel, so 11 4 ja 44 meter square. When it cover one revolution, it cover 44 meter square. Then find the area of the floor. So area of floor इज इक्वल टू 8 into curve surface area is equal to 8 into 44, that is 8 4 ja 32, 8 4 ja 32, 335 meter square. Understand? Next question. So next question को हमें पार्ट 2 रे कंप्लीट करिबा, नले वीडियो बहुत लंबा आइ जिवो. Thank you.